Oh, you bitch! How'd you get the first shot?
Okay.
I'm dead. I'm respawning now.
Fucking smokes! I can only do grenade launcher with long range engagement. Fucking grenade launcher.
Moving up.
One more grenade launcher. I got one with a grenade launcher. Killed one with a grenade launcher, by the way.
Nice.
Freedom!
Get the fuck out of here. I hit him in the head before he... Huh?
I did a weird move.
Ah, when you run, then you press R2, right? Then you press square. He's gonna say, oh, I don't know what he's saying. Yeah, this one.
Oh, what?
If he dodge your...
I didn't know that.
If he dodge your R2, follow it with the, you know...
I never know that. What? Bro, I'm so behind this.
Oh. Not really. You're still good, but there's so many heading moves. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, like, I'm so surprised. Damn.
Oh, they got our teammate. Okay, I'll stay here. That's,
Where are you? See? I'm coming. Don't die. Don't get thrown. Yeah, I like that. I keep using it.
didn't work, so... yeah.
I'll go to see.
Come on.
Say hello to my little friend!
Okay.
That was me.
Well, I don't know what did you say.
What?
I don't know what your character said. After them, I don't know. He said something else.
Maybe this will change your mind.
I'm done. Watch out. Incoming balls. Oh, sorry. There they are. No more balls. They gave me a hiccup.
How does
Okay?
it feel? How does it feel to have the hiccups now?
God damn it. Gave AT the hiccup. Something else coming. Oh shit, I'm done. Run away.
Why is Duka? Wait.
Hey,
My boy's here!
Really? And someone else.
Back up! My backup derived AT!
Torment.
He's here!
Torment is here. Watch out. She's coming to kill us.
Yeah, but look who else is here!
I see him. It's like, hey, it's walked out to sea.
Like, I heard you're in danger. I'm pure to hell. Or like, yes!
I just want some materials, man. Dude, I'm getting no materials, like literally none. There's nothing in here. I think it's bugged? It might be bugged. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe. Oh. Yeah.
That really pissed me off, that did. Stop healing! It's not fair! You're gonna pay, alley cats. You're gonna pay with your fucking souls.
Keep on forgetting to fucking cook my food. Need to get rid of some shit. Wow, I like how they do this fucking message.
Trap set away.
Alright, I gotta take it away.
No, Dominic!
Fuck out my face. Fuck.
Pay for that. What, me? What?
Is he trying to kill you? Kill him, please. Get I don't think he gets it. Did you just kill him? He died? How the fuck did he die? He's that high level. He died. He's trying to shoot me the whole time. He didn't take any fucking damage. I don't get it.
Player?
Yeah.
Idiot. Idiots.
I mean, you didn't steal his stuff, so like, I mean. Okay, you just want to go. Right, because he just got his ass kicked by a level 122. Oh, okay, that's nice. A fusion core. Oh, that doesn't fucking matter. Still get your ass kicked. Just depends what mods. Well, I mean.
What the fuck? I didn't
I
even
have
mean to
Levi's.
attack him. It was all
Oh,
just a
I'm
mistake.
I'm gonna go to the store.
Decided to attack me.
That's funny because I saw a guy. Oh, he's wanted. I need the wanted achievement. Kills him. You can have your stuff back. I just wanted the achievement.
Damn. Am I still wanted? Because I don't want to be wanted.
No, because he attacked you back.
Oh, okay, okay.